Good day friends, this is Reshma from Zebu on Zebu School. Today market Nifty is down by about 50 points. Couple of years earlier, if somebody told you that market is going to fall by about 50 points, you would have said, oh, that's a big day. Now hardly anyone gives it a second glance over. 50 points up, if it wants down, it's called a normal day. Signs of times. Anyway, let's see what has happened yesterday. Yesterday, in international market, Nasdaq fell about 4.6 percentage. It's a big thing. Already it's been falling for quite some time, and again it has fallen by 4.6 percentage. Tesla fell by about 7.5 percentage. So a lot of things were happening in the international market. Even the Dow Jones fell by about 2.8 percentage. Big thing again. We were thinking that okay, market is going to open at least to say a couple of percentage points down, but didn't happen. Hardly moved. 50 points is hardly these days. Nothing you could say. So, but VIX has been going up. It is somewhere around 22 percentage. So volatility, things are going to be little volatile. That is what we think going to happen. So what else happened? Inflation in India has subsided a bit. And industrial production seems to be going up, but the inflation has come down. That is very good news for India when compared to other countries. Other countries, inflation is going up, productivity coming down. India is in a better shape when compared to other countries. If you want to take a bet on stocks, India is the place to be. That is what I would say. Then the major thing that happened in Bitcoin yesterday and cryptocurrencies, almost all the cryptocurrencies fell about 20 percentage or so, Bitcoin more so. From its high of $69,000, it has come to as low as 21,000 yesterday, today morning you could say. So what is happening is that all the people who are invested in risky assets like cryptos, NFTs, whatnot, and DeFi projects, so many things are just deleveraging and moving to kind of safe assets, but then there doesn't seem to be any safety in almost any asset classes. Even gold fell and silver fell yesterday, so kind of in a tricky situation. If we've been watching particularly my the sessions, you would know that I have always advocated people to be trading with a negative bias. This exactly what happened in the last 1.5 weeks. Market has been continuously falling. The time when I was making a prediction, it was around 16,500. Right now it's at 15,700. Hopefully people traded with negative bias and made some money. We did some, and get in touch with us. We'll tell you how to make say money in this falling market. So if you want to trade, our suggestion, or particularly my suggestion, would be to trade with negative bias or the neutral bias. Things are not looking very favorable for the bulls right now, because there's hardly any news that can justify market going up. But then stranger things have happened, so be adequately covered and hedged. Let's see what happened. And one more thing that has happened yesterday is that Celsius network, one of the big things in cryptocurrency, almost become insolvent or bankrupt. They have stopped all the withdrawals, so that is going to have some impact in the financial markets and stock markets in particular, and crypto markets most definitely. So be in watch out for this kind of shocks. And Fed is, the US Fed Reserve is expected to increase their interest rate by 0.75 basis point. This didn't happen since 1990s. So if it is to happen, could be a very big thing. Their mortgage rate went up to about 6.5 percentage. That is, people are not increasingly not able to afford houses, and houses prices are falling down. Not looking too good in US markets. Indian markets kind of relatively stable. Even if there is a fall, it is going to be kind of mild. So our suggestion to you is mark some good stocks and then let the market fall. As and when it falls, keep buying whatever thing you have shortlisted based on whatever parameters you like. So in case you want to know what are the parameters by which you can filter out stocks, let us know in the comments or get in touch with us. We will be able to guide you on that. And then FII, again, no surprise, 4,100 crores they have sold like clockwork. Every day they come, they sell, except for 1 or 2 days in the last month. They have sold almost every day. We don't know when it's going to stop, but But good thing is it is not having too much impact on the markets. Even when they sell, there is a local demand that is supporting the market. And so that's about it. Trade. To sum it up, markets are turbulent, in turmoil in international markets. Indian markets, not so. It is kind of stable when compared to the huge fall that is happening in the international market. So if you want to buy stocks, maybe you can consider buying a little and this thing, at least deploy about 20-30% of your surplus capital which you have earmarked for investments. And if you are a trader, trade with negative bias or neutral bias. This is Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu School and Zebu. Happy trading, profitable trading and great investing. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.